December is here, and so is a countdown to Christmas. Joining us today is Rusty Wise. He's the president of Mister Sparky to talk holiday lights and safety. Hello, how are you doing today, sir?
Morning, glad to be here.
It's good. Okay, this is a great time of the year because this is when we will talk about safety. And the very first thing that everybody's doing right now is string lights.
Yep, stringing up lights, and they pull them out of the closet. It's been in a big ball. But what you can do is take that string of lights and wrap it around something. The box that it was in, piece of cardboard, piece of plastic, that will save you hours, if not days, of untangling all those lights.
And so what are some of the things we need to do, the essentials we need for our lights?
Well, outside lighting, one of the biggest calls we have this time of year is GFCIs tripping.
Okay.
And the GFCI is like a breaker like this. It has the white, and you reset that.
Okay.
And then also the receptacle has the GFCI. But what causes that is normally where things are plugged in. And what you can do, Eugene, is take a Ziploc bag where cords are plugged together. Where you plug them together, put a Ziploc bag and keep the water out, and that'll save that GFCI from tripping. You don't have to call us.
See, so this little bag, I mean, I guess you can buy a box, but this keeps the moisture out so that it doesn't cause electrical spark?
Yeah, now you can buy, there's store-bought things
like
just
right
like
there.
this.
I've seen those things right there.
Yeah, you can buy these at the store, but you can buy 100 Ziploc bags for a few bucks and do that also. So there's two items that do that.
So what are some of the equipment that needs to stay outside and some of the equipment that needs to stay inside?
Well, always read the label and make sure that it's rated for outdoor. Not all lighting is rated for outdoor, so read the label to make sure it's outdoor rated. Also, what I installed at my house actually over the weekend, my wife made me do that.
Okay.
But anyway, is these landscape lights, and they change colors. And feel that's heavy.
It's pretty heavy.
It's
got some weight to it.
Yeah, that's lifetime warranty. And these are normal landscape lights, but you can program to change colors. You can have them for red for Halloween. You can have them holiday colors, green, red, and then go back to white. And so you're killing.
We see that up right there.
Two birds with one stone. Yeah. Yeah, that was my project over the weekend.
So what are some of the common mistakes that most people are making during this time of year, sir?
Well, it's cold. You know, it was 20 degrees this morning, and space heaters. This time of year, people are taking space heaters just like this. I'll hold this up for everybody.
Okay.
This is a typical space heater, and they plug it in, and they plug it into strips like this.
Hold that up, because that strip is all burnt up.
What they do, they have the Christmas lights, you know, throughout the house. They use these strips for the Christmas lights, and it's cold outside, and they said, I want to warm this room, so they'll take a space heater and plug it in, and you're supposed to only plug a space heater into the wall outlet, not a strip like this.
And that can cause a fire.
Well, our #1 call for the next couple of weeks will be space heaters plugged into strips and outlets. And they pull so much power that they'll burn an outlet too.
Wow.
Just like this outlet right here.
That's not a good thing.
Yeah, that's burnt.
Yeah, so what are some of the things that also you guys do at Mister Sparky that can help this year?
Well, we have our own smoke detectors, so this time of year, fire is important to avoid. We have our surge protectors. We install a ton of generators. We've installed a lot of generators since the hurricane came. So we install circuits, panels, generators, anything electrical in the home we can take care of.
Do you have any offerings for us?
Basically 24/7, we're there for 24/7. We're not an offer gimmicky company. We're there for you 24/7 throughout the holidays. Anything electrical in the home.
MrSparkyCharlotte.com, and I love your tagline, which is?
No more malarkey. Call Mr. Sparky.
Call Mr. Sparky indeed. Thank you very much.
Got it. Thank you.